We're here for Lydia Martin.
They warned me Satan would be attractive.
Ew, 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 oh my god, ew, ew, oh my god, stop, stop, ew! Oh my god, hey, oh!
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
6.5 hours later.
Maybe you can wake up and explain it to me.
A few moments later.
It's Mr. Steal Your Girl. It's Mr. Steal Your Girl.
Hey, you wanna go out tonight? Sorry, I have to walk my dog. You don't have a dog. Yeah, I do. What's his name? Fluffy.
That's awesome. We should just make a copy of...
She'll be safe.
No, God!
You killed my best friend.
I should kill you.
Yeah, but you won't. You like me too much.
Psych, bitch, I don't want you. Fuck you and your grandma too, bitch. What the fuck is up?
They shave small portions of the scalp. It's done under general anesthesia and it's perfectly safe.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
It's okay, Styles. You still got me.
My emotions! My emotions!
He's my best friend, best of all best friends. Do you have a best friend too?
Can I ask you a question then? Yeah, sure. What are you doing Saturday night?
3 days later.
I don't care. I should be.
This bitch called me ugly. I said, bitch, where? She said, under all that makeup. I said, bitch, where?
Hallelujah.
What are those?
I don't know, Dad. I'm just pissed off, I guess.
Do you think this behavior is fair to your teacher and classmates?
I don't suppose it is, but I don't give a darn.
Do you have any idea how grounded you are about to be, mister?
Why don't you shut up, Dad, and stick it in your ear for crying out loud?
If you put them on, then...
Yes, Hayden. They'll kill him.
Just do it!
Do we have a deal?
No! No, 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 no. Did I mention no?
Styles, he's coming.
Eddie, I'm not leaving you here.
You have to.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Every night and every cloudy day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. Catch me going through that open door. I believe I can fly. Believe, I believe, I believe, I believe. I believe, I believe, I believe.
Click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresher than my motherfucking.
Look, dude, things around here have changed. Sometimes, the only way to keep going is to make a left turn. You, Kyle, you're a piece of shit. Kyle, I love you.
You a piece of shit, though. F you.
Do it!
I'll see
Sorry. We still don't actually know if it's gonna happen. What happened to Parrish?
Jordan Parrish died.
I'm a fire in my lady god!
Damn! Daniel, back at it again with the white vans.
Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway.
That's the one. Are you alright?
Stop blowing out emotion!
And I'm not Allison.
We're playing games with my heart. With my heart.
It's you. What? Liam, what's he talking about?
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Hell no. No. No.
Okay, that's disconcerting. I should probably have a gun.
I'm not giving you a gun.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody.
I probably shouldn't have a gun. But I punch you in the balls to remind you we're not.
Can I say I love you? Please don't. And you love me too. It's nothing you can prove. Say you do. I don't. You will. I won't. As far as you know.
There goes another. Your circle of trust is narrowing.
What the fuck did you just fucking say about me? You little bitch.
Well, we think you should be a cardboard box for Halloween because you ugly as hell and nobody notices you anyway. It's like a win-win.
Daddy, please don't. Girls who run the world. Girls who run the world. Girls.
I fart in your general direction.
I'm gonna need to leave.
You're not going anywhere. Hold her hand.
Okay, fine, I'm not leaving, but I still might faint.
The whole time.
Surprise, bitch. To me, please don't be with someone else. Please don't have.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
But I can't help falling in love with you.
Yeah, I think so.
Welcome to your future career in law enforcement.
I think I just peed a little.
And we're the three best friends that anybody could have. We're the three best friends that anyone could have.
the witch doctor I was in love with you. Told me, ooh,